Hey everyone, Mark here from the windowcleaningstore.com. In today's video, just a quick update on a new line of water-fed poles that we're going to be carrying here. Now it's a new line for us here in Canada. However, the Pure Water Power brand has been in existence in the US for a few years now. It's a proven, reliable brand, so we're glad to have this up here in Canada. Now you're going to get a few choices for materials for the water-fed poles. In this particular case, I'm holding the 30-foot full carbon. We also have it in the 40-foot version. There's going to be a hybrid version, which we have the 26th version of that in stock. Now, a hybrid pole is a mixture of carbon fiber and fiberglass. It's a 50-50 blend. That's perfect for those who don't need to reach that high. They don't need maximum rigidity. Now, speaking of maximum rigidity, we're also going to have options for the high mod poles. So if you need to go higher and make sure you're having a more rigid pole to work with at those heights, we have the high mod that's going to be coming in. As well, we're going to have a Kevlar option. Now, Kevlar added to high modulus carbon fiber gives you the maximum in rigidity as well as overall strength. Now, all poles, regardless of the material that they're made of, will all come pretty standard with a 14-inch hybrid brush. Actually, they call it a 16-inch hybrid. That's 16-inch if the brush splays out on the sides. The block itself is actually 14, but overall the brush splay, so the brush coverage is 16 inches. All going to have 4 jets. The brushes are attached to the pole via the fast lock. This is a Xero fast lock angle and brush socket system. So you get that square fast lock click on. You don't have to screw this brush on. You don't have to worry about the brush slightly unscrewing or going off to one side or the other while working with it. It's going to be held on nice and snug. If you take a close look at the clamps and you're familiar with Xero poles, you notice that it's using the same clamps as the Xeros, what the Xero's been using for the last several years. Now each pole is going to come with pole tubing. Now the pole tubing that's supplied with these poles, when I get them brought into me, is about 10 feet longer than the actual pole length. So this 30-foot would come with 40 feet of pole tubing. Now here at the window cleaning store, we know that that's not going to be enough for, to do really good distance jobs away from your water-fed systems. So we're also going to include an additional 100 feet of our popular hydro sphere pole tubing. So you could just join that onto the end and away you go. And speaking of the end, they give you this quick connector here, which you can screw onto the output of your water-fed system. It has an on-off valve as well. It's going to come with an end cap that you can put on the end if you want to help protect the end of your pole. You'll also get this little red handy Acme tip. You can take out the angle and brush and stick this in, put a cone tip on there. You can throw squeegees and scrubbers on there, or just with the threaded end here, you can put maybe some third-party brushes to do some high dusting. So very handy that way. So like I said, we're very happy to have this brand here in Canada now. And right now we have the 26-foot hybrids. We have the 30-foot full carbon and the 40-foot full carbon in stock. And we're also going to be pairing it up with some water-fed systems so you can get yourself a nice package. So anyway, check us out, thewindowcleaningstore.com. Full details on the materials and the options on these poles will be listed on there. Thewindowcleaningstore.com. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.